everybody, it's Dr. K here. Sunset as always. Happy sunset, you guys. So how is your weekend going today? I have a treat for you. Wait for it. Wait for it. Remember how I was telling you about goji berries the other day? Well, I found a berry. Let me show you real quick. Hello. Let me show you real quick. I don't know how it's gonna show up, but the goal is for you to see a goji berry live. Okay, let's see. There they are. Look at these. Those are goji berries, you guys. Tiny little ones. Here's one really nice one. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe not. But those are amazing berries. They do grow in Arizona. Let's see, there's a few more of them. Oh, there's a few more of them right here. They're almost ripe. They get a little bit darker. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? The goji berry love. You know, goji berries are actually super herbs and super herbs. Super food and super herbs. All in one. What that means is that they have concentrated nutrients in them and high density nutrients like iron, magnesium. Just like cacao, you know, raw cacao has high level of magnesium. So we have a little bit of clouds. It's not going to be, let me actually go from the other side. It's not going to be colorful too much, but a little bit. There we go, you guys. So how have you been? Yeah? We have just shared so much today. As far as inspiration, you know, I have just been thinking about the big picture and what is going on for us. And remember how I did a share on YouTube that was a little far back, a few weeks back, about how do we get our information as physicians? Like, how do we know that we know what we are recommending is accurate and the truth? And it's a tough one, you know, because we do have to listen to the CDC and the FDA and all these agencies. And I just thought, wow, in this big picture, what is happening is I have read quite a bit, more so recently, that a lot of people believe that we are in a huge transition when it comes to healthcare. And part of it is that our healthcare has not, you know, if you think about it, our healthcare has not been really working as well, meaning our chronic illnesses are on the rise. We don't have, like these acute conditions we're really good with, you know, broken bones and acute traumas. And the chronic ones, we have not been able to stop them or heal them. All there is available right now for the most part is medications, and a lot of patients that I see are patients that have been just told, you know, this is what you have. We don't know necessarily where it comes from or why. We don't have a 100% cause, such as things like MS or some other autoimmune conditions. We have some medications to help to stop it, but that's about it. And so the big picture is, for many, many years now, and now more so ever, is very obvious that we are missing something in traditional medicine. And there is a lot of voices out there that are feeling and thinking that this situation will bring that all to the forefront and will help us realize that our focus has been somewhere over here, there, when really the healing is internal and comes from all those things we have talked about, the terrain, the taking care of our organism, cleaning it up, supporting it, giving it actual nutrients and nutritious food, versus versus just focusing over here on the symptoms that we don't really know much what to do with. The part that always saddens me is I have so many patients, and I'm trying to put a thing together in a bigger picture. And I have so many patients that have come to me with conditions, mostly painful conditions, and a lot of things, not just fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue, which have been kind of the diagnosis of exclusion, meaning if nothing much fits and the markers are not there and the pain is there, fibromyalgia it's a big diagnosis that covers it all, and it is called the Diagnosis of Exclusion. It has been only brought to the list of conditions not so long ago, comparing to other illnesses. And so the idea is, I think the time is coming for us to see, because like I said, the patients that come, oftentimes they are so saddened by the care that they have gotten, and for the most part it has been put back on, there's nothing we can find on the blood work, there's nothing we can find in the testing, we don't know what's going on, and or just go home or go away, or I don't know what to do for you, or some of them have been even told that it's kind of in their mind. And so the sad part is that we do have a lot of these conditions, especially they are pain producing, like this complex pain in the body that I have seen a lot of patients for, like I said, that have been turned away by medicine. So yeah, I sometimes, there's like something good comes out of something not so good. I have just seen that recently quite a bit, and I have watched some videos of a lot of doctors that maybe the bigger picture is that more and more people will wake up and see through, and the asking will be different. I'll tell you, when I was in medical school, there was one physician, and he said, it's all demand driven. If they had kale salad that tasted really good in McDonald's for 99 cents, people would be buying kale salad in McDonald's for 99 cents or $1.99, right? And it would be, like how it's always the calorie and all that, it would be top nutrient salad. I would be a top seller. And I thought, you know what? That is so right on. Like, top seller kale salad in McDonald's, people would be buying it. And so it's similar right now. It's the demand is more and more for the deeper truth of healing. So I think we're onto something, you guys. Sometimes it has to kind of crash a little bit before the light comes up, right? Yeah, let me know what you think about that, because it's just coming to the forefront quite a bit. And remember, it is about the demand, so the population, people asking, and then it's also, I feel, about somehow the structure breaking from the other end, where physicians, where doctors, oh, hang on, there's people coming. Hang on, you guys. Just hold on, okay? I'll make sure that they're not on the video, so it's private for them.
Hello.
And a little doggy. Hi, buddy. Hi, you want to be in a video? Okay, so I'm not sure if they're staying or not. I'll just give them some privacy. Okay, so it's okay. I'll just end right here, okay? And I'll take it from here next time, because this is a big piece. This is a big piece, and you guys, as the doctors also, as the doctors, we need to wake up And we need to realize that there is more to the truth, and we as the physicians have to start asking for something else to be available. So I feel that really strongly, and I will follow up on that because I want to give them some privacy. But you know, you guys, this is huge, and I'm just very inspired, and I will actually take it from here next time. Okay? Many blessings for a beautiful night, and thank you for watching. Bye.